Hey y'all, so I just recorded a video about my first impression of this L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer that I'm wearing right now, and I love it so much, so I will link this video in the description box below. But once I did that video, I decided I wanted to share one quick tip with y'all that I do all the time with myself and my clients, and I feel like it's a little unconventional, but I feel like it definitely really works, and it's just a little tweak to how you set your makeup once it's completed, like I have here. So two of my favorite current setting sprays are the Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray and the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray Ultra Matte Finish with Aloe and Vitamin E. So I think today I'm going to use the Super Fix, but I love both of these. If you're in the market for a setting spray, this one's more prestige, this one's more affordable. But I'm going to use the more affordable one today. So here is the tip. Most people think that when you set your makeup, you should just kind of, I guess, spray it a couple times and go. But for me, if you really want to lock and load your makeup, this is what you should be doing. So not only should you have your favorite setting spray, but also have a really fluffy foundation brush. I'm going to be using the BK Beauty 101 brush. It's nice and full and fluffy and soft because I clean it often. And so what you'll do is you'll first spray your face. I usually like to kind of go in an X motion and then a cross motion. So I'll do that first. So here we go. I'm gonna make sure I get my hair out of the way. And I really go for it with setting spray. I mean, if you're gonna do it, just do it. So that got my entire face. So I don't know if you can tell, it looks kind of misty and glowy. So most people would just do that, wave it off, maybe use a fan. But I like to go a step further and immediately take my fluffy foundation brushes and I will just simply pat that setting spray into the skin to really lock and load your makeup. Now you're not pressing hard. You're just going very, very lightly all over the face where you put your makeup, because this, I mean, in my opinion, this literally pushes that setting spray into your skin. Now you're not trying to lift it off the skin, you're just gently pressing it in. And you see it takes a little of the shine away. And if there's certain areas that you really want to set, you can even go for like a smaller, like concealer brush that's really fluffy, go underneath the eyes a little bit. I mean, I could even do that here. You could even spray your brush with it and then go in and just lightly press. And that will give your makeup so much more longevity, I promise. I do makeup for weddings all the time, and longevity is really one of the biggest keys for doing wedding makeup because it has to last all day once you leave as a makeup artist. And so this is one of the things that I pride myself in the longevity of the makeup for the bride is I will always do the setting spray and then press it into the skin. And then voila, you're done. Your makeup should last all day long. All right, so there you have it. If you liked this quick tip, please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.